Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about how to create a faux stem bouquet. You start with the foam holder and then cover the tape using your corsage tape. Then from there, go back and add in stems. Make them line up. You can just adjust and then rubber band it in place until you end up with a perfectly covered holder. It gives you that faux stem. Then you can go back and add in flowers. You can see the holders behind, flowers in front. Gives you that look of a hand-tied bouquet with a water source to keep the flowers alive. Now you know how the pros do it.